James having this great idea to program it here. NoMad Flatiron partnership had a good idea, I can tell. The intention behind the diamonds was to give a moment of joy, of pleasure, bring people together through light and sound. So let's have fun for the next 6 weeks playing with the diamonds and enlightening the place around here in New York City. Thank you very much.
NoMad partnership for giving us this incredible opportunity to be part of Winter Glow and to showcase Spectrum here in the heart of New York City. For us, New York represents creativity, diversity, and the energy of people coming together. It's truly an honor to see our work come to life in such an iconic and vibrant place as Flatiron. Our mission has always been to create public art that connect people together through sounds, light, and shared experience. We truly believe that art in public space transform city and bring joy into city, and transform daily life, spark joy, and bring people closer together. Creating Spectrum has been a labor of love, and knowing that it will touch the lives of thousands of people as they pass by, interact with it, and connect through it, it's really the most rewarding part of our job. Thank you to everyone who made this possible, and we hope Spectrum bring a little light, wonder, and connection to your day. Spectrum is just the other side.